Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a link in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to select a word which you want to link. For example, I'm going to select this word is popular, and after that, if I want to link this word, I need to click on this option, insert link. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl key to do it. So I select this option, and now you need to paste here the link which you want to insert. For example, I paste here this link and I click apply. After that, it will be successfully inserted here. If you would like to open it, you need to click on this word, and then link will be displayed here, and you will be able to click on it and open it. Remember that you can always try to remove this link if you want. To do it, you need to click on this one option. This option is remove. I click here, and after that link will be successfully deleted. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves a problem.